Welcome aboard the submarine Astria. This is your captain speaking. I'm going to take you to a country of canyons and wide open spaces, a lot like the Wild West, but beneath the Mediterranean Sea. Look down. Imagine seawater as clear as air. An immense chasm of dizzying depth. This is the call of the deep blue. That gigantic canyon is surrounded by 300-meter sedimentary cliffs, as tall as the Eiffel Tower. It's hard to believe that this landscape is only 23 kilometers from Banyuls. Let's begin our descent. The submersible robot Ariane, remotely controlled from the surface to explore and map the seafloor, will guide us through the labyrinth, her cables serving as a watery Ariadne's thread. Over there is Ulix, the very latest autonomous unmanned vessel of the French oceanography fleet. It's returning from a mission mapping the canyon, bearing a cargo of precious data back to the support vessel, Atalante. Look down, beyond your feet. Underwater canyons are great gashes, gouged out by rivers at a time when sea level was much lower. We can just see Ariane's searchlights scanning the canyon walls. It's 13 degrees Celsius and the pressure is 40 times that of atmospheric pressure.
Astria, this is research vessel Europe. We have visual contact. At the bottom of the cliff, on the left, you can see coral reefs.
Coral? At this depth? In the Mediterranean? Well, yes. Contrary to popular belief, corals are found in cold waters too, but they are a lot less famous than their tropical cousins. Scientists are gradually unraveling the secrets of these little-known sea creatures, and canyons are the ideal places to do this. Those showers of organic debris, visible in the searchlight halos, are caused by the perpetual motion of the sea. They provide a veritable banquet for coral. A wide variety of corals cohabit. Certain species, such as Madrepora oculata and Desmophyllum pertusum, establish colonies of thousands of individuals. Their exoskeletons provide shelter for entire populations of shrimps, sea urchins, and starfish. Let us dive deeper into this fabulous world to look at the daily life of these creatures from the inside. We'll shrink to Lilliputian size. Look behind you. That coral branch appears to be covered in blossom. These are no flowers, however. They are the tentacles of the polyps which make up the colony. Ready? Fasten your seatbelts. We're off, in through the front door and into a maze of tunnels. A polyp's door is always open. Neighbours are in constant contact. Polyps ingest nutrients and redistribute them to the rest of the colony via the tunnels we're travelling through. The spirit of solidarity and shared resources also exists at the bottom of the ocean. But not all species of coral enjoy community life. For example, take this Caryophylla, who prefers to live alone. Look, here's another canyon dweller, Echinus mello, the sea urchin. We'll walk inside and explore its beauty secrets. Look up. We could be beneath a cathedral dome. At this scale, anatomy becomes a work of art. Like Da Vinci's golden ratio, the internal structure of the sea urchin is based on the number 5. At your feet, observe Aristotle's lantern, named for the Greek philosopher who compared it to a 5-sided lantern commonly used in antiquity. This is the sea urchin's mouth. It is equipped with 5 teeth for grazing on algae and gobbling gastropods.
Astria, this is Europe. Prepare to resurface. Your batteries are almost flat. Switch off the searchlights. Save energy for the propellers.
Sadly, it's time to leave the mysterious deep-sea canyons.
Europe, this is Astria. We are beginning the ascent. Searchlights out. We should reach the surface in a few minutes.
Darkness envelops us once more, but the images and sensations of this dive will remain with us for a long time to come. Having witnessed the extraordinary beauty of the underwater world, I hope that you can now understand the passion which drives the researchers and technicians at Ifremer.